My husband's cough lasted weeks. He couldn't sleep, neither could I. Started as Tamiflu and then turned into chronic cough and phlegm. The coughing went on and on for so many weeks. We tried everything, antibiotics, cough mixtures, even Chinese medicine. Nothing worked. His chest x-ray even showed a shadow. Oh my god, so scary. A pharmacist friend recommended NuvaLectranal. Helps lung, nose, and builds qi. Exactly what we needed. He could breathe better, sleep well, and feel like himself again. Then we took 2 capsules twice daily. After a week, cough gone. Later also, x-ray clear. So relieved. I didn't expect that from a capsule like this.